So eto guys, gumala kami at si Kat nagpipicture ng kung ano may nakikita namin at pakita ko sa inyo kung ano. So naglalakad kami at ito yung nakikita namin sa Niagara Falls. May Ferris wheel, may Sheraton Hotel, may casino, nightmares.
That we're gonna go to. Never.
So yeah, kung madiliman, naglalakad-lakad lang kami. Sobrang ganda dito, mahangin, presko. Tapos puro attractions yun dito. So, dito nga may Ferris wheel yung nakita nyo nga kanina. Tapos yung bahay na nakabaliktad, which is ayun.
Nakabaliktad or nakatabi?
Nakabaliktad, ayun.
It's nakaside.
Nakabaliktad kaya.
It's not baliktad.
Baliktad do.
Wanna go to the maze?
What is that?
It's inside. Like you have to go in. You have to walk in a maze.
So yun nga. Yeet. 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 Yeah. Tapos, saan ba tayo pupunta pa? Kasi sumasayaw din yung bata ng hit.
Lalakad lang. Yan ang t-shirts, 199.
Tsaka na yan, mamaya. Bukas na yun.
Bukas na
Matagal
lang.
pa eh. Saan tayo pupunta?
I don't know. Where's it? Oh, Waxworks.
Ano ba hinanap natin? Pagkain?
Pagkain. I can smell
Naghanap kami
food.
ng pagkain kasi gutom kami. Hindi ako, ang huling kain namin, ano oras? 4?
No. We ate at 6.
Oh, whoops. Sorry. 6?
Yeah.
6 at ano oras na ngayon? 11? 12?
11.
Yeah, magta-12 na.
Yeah.
So, ayun. Dito mo daming tao,
Ito
hating
yung
gabi
moving
na.
theater, oh.
Nandito yung moving theater nila. 4D, kumbaga.
We're gonna go there tomorrow.
Ripley's. So, yeah. Ayun nga. Lilibot muna kami. Pag may nakita kaming interesting, then balik kami. So guys, nandito kami sa Ferris wheel at medyo takot si Kat at ang view niya is right there.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm scared now. Just look here, Bebe. Look at that. It's so nice. Bebe, no. It's okay. Just enjoy the ride.
Oh yes.
That's our jam.
Don't move!
Okay, I'm sorry. Just look up.
Where's
Oh
the
my god.
falls? The falls are there!
I don't want to look down right now.
Baby,
I'm really
look!
scared. I saw it. I
The
saw it.
Skywheel will rise 175 feet above
Okay.
the ground.
Wala ba tayo nakapitan dito? Oh, God.
Canadian Horseshoe
Buddy.
American Falls.
Mahirap sa akin kasi may phobia ako.
Estimated
So,
at over
may phobia ako sa
750,000 gallons per
may
second.
phobia ako sa height, so I can't move right now, Bebe. Don't.
I'm gonna move the
Why?
star.
Why?
You'll see the Falls View
I can only move my
Casino
left
downtown.
arm.
The Canadian
Hold it, I'm gonna
Horseshoe
take a
Falls in the
picture.
background.
Oh, buddy.
You'll see Marine
So, ayun nga,
and their Triple Tower ride, the
Nandito kami ngayon sa
Skyscraper.
taas ng Ferris wheel. Nakahinto pa kami, kaya
The City of
pala.
Niagara is located across
At,
from the Rainbow Bridge, which joins
tatakot ako.
Canada and the United
Hindi ako.
States. Across the Rainbow Bridge
Ito.
lies Niagara Falls, New York, and the American Falls.
So, ayun
Of
nakikita.
course, the view to the east
Ito yung
is
falls,
the
pakita ko na
Niagara
sa inyo.
Falls.
Can zoom.
So, medyo malayo, pero ayun yung kulay na yun.
Here, I'll zoom in.
Ala nga, hindi nga ako
Dito
complete
nga,
the project for its
nilapitan ko
opening in
dito.
June of 2006.
It's
The
somewhere
wheel
there.
stands
Baby, I
53
can't
meters
look down for
tall
some reason.
and is
It's that
equipped
red
with
thing over
42
here.
climate-controlled gondolas, which were designed and
At
built in Switzerland.
ayun, ito yung view namin sa taas at ayun yung, ano ba yun? Ano ba yung
4.5 kilometers per hour,
parang CN
which
Tower
allows a
na
perfect opportunity to
At
sit
ito yung sa
back,
baba, golf
relax,
course.
and enjoy the view.
at hindi ko makita yung nandito.
Excluding loading and unloading.
Okay, we'll be back later.
8 minutes.
I can't move for real.
To minimize
Oh
the
my
glare of the
god.
sun.
Oh my god.
We're gonna be at the top.
Enjoy your ride on the Niagara Skywheel.
Oh, we're going down now. Oh my god, look at that.
Oh no. Oh no, buddy.
Oh, we paused in the
Oh. I can't move. May sandalan ba tayo?
Wala. Meron.
I can't look that.
Bebe!
For real, I
You're
can't.
the one who asked
I'm
me!
not fucking joking.
You're the one who wanted to be here. Look, come on.
Stop, don't move.
I need to
Don't
move!
move.
Can I?
So yun guys, pauwi na kami. At saan tayo naggaling?
We went to Boston Pizza. We had food, and then
Obviously.
we walked around. Oh, we went to the fair. Oh yeah, we vlogged already. And then we went to the casino to try out new things.
Yeah. And now ito yung inaano namin. Tapos kami naglakad. Ganda pag gabi, wala kang ilaw.
Pretty cool, pretty cool.
Ayun yung kasi nakita namin kaninang Ferris wheel. At ngayon pauwi na kami. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Bukas na uli, maybe. Ulit tsaka namin ito lilibutin mga Ripley's and everything. May laser tag. Kasi yun nga, so pauwi na kami. I guess mamaya na lang po sa hotel. Kung
Yeah, sa
hindi,
hotel or
kung hindi,
tomorrow.
bukas na lang.
Yeah.
See you guys. Good night.
Bye.